Hi everyone. Today we have a repair for an iPhone 7 that no longer has audio. This is a very common problem with the iPhone 7, so let's fix it. I'll first peel off the sticker that protects the motherboard. Then I'll put it in a preheater so that I won't need to use as much heat to get the chip off. I'll now just clean the chip with some wick. After cleaning the chip, we're going to reball it. Now we'll clean the motherboard of any residue solder. Right now I'm using a super thin jump wire to lay a jumper. And once I get one end connected, I'll split the wire a bit over the pad where it needs to be. I'll then apply some UV mask to make sure it doesn't come loose. Use a UV light to harden the UV mask. And now I'll curl up the jump wire in a tiny circle on the pad so that it can connect to the chip. Here I have pulled up the schematics so you can understand why we're pulling a jumper wire. The pad is very loose on the iPhone 7 motherboards, but can completely stop working if the phone gets dropped. You can see the pad I selected in the program, and it is connected to a resistor. That resistor has a direct line to the CPU. And because the pad came loose, it will stop the entire audio chip from working. Luckily, this is easily fixed with the jumper. Now let's place the chip back where it belongs. Once placed, let's clean up the motherboard with some alcohol. Now we just have to test it. And as you can see, we can now use the speaker again. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more. That was it for today. Till next time.